Hi, it's Chef Crystal. I'm here today in my kitchen to talk to you about how to save money on raw vegan ingredients and how to source your ingredients at a cheaper price. Number one is I have a huge ingredient sourcing list on my website. I give you links for sourcing for bulk and wholesale all around the world. So there's almost every single region that you could imagine on this list. I've been compiling this list for the last 4 years of my online business with the help from a lot of my students who are all around the world. Now for me, I would never pay at retail for dry ingredients. So for example, nuts, seeds, superfood powders, grains, buckwheat, coconut products, coconut oil, cacao products, all of these things. I would never walk into a store and pay retail for these products because you are going to pay at least 3 to 4 times more than what you would get them in bulk or wholesale online. And a lot of these bulk and wholesale suppliers now have free shipping. Now for myself, because I use a lot of ingredients, the more you buy, the cheaper it is. And if you are getting into raw vegan cuisine, then it is good to buy everything in big amounts. Also, if you have the room to store it. Now for me, for myself, for storage, I have a fridge, a mini fridge that I have in my house where I just store all of my nuts and seeds so that they stay fresh for a long time. Then when I get a big batch in, I soak and dehydrate all of my nuts, not all of them, but a huge batch of nuts and seeds right away, and I'll sprout some buckwheat. And then I put the dehydrated nuts and seeds, or my buckwheat, for example, in the freezer, and they will last up to a year. Now, of course, I go through them way quicker than 1 year, so I rotate them quite a bit. But you can also get wholesale accounts. Now, a lot of places will give most people a wholesale account, and all you have to do is ask. So make sure you check out that list that I have online. It's been a labor of love the last 4 years, and I promise you, you will definitely save using that list. Now, number 2, if you want to save on fresh produce, shop at farmers markets. It's usually much cheaper than retail. And there is also farm shares. Now, have you ever heard of this? This is something new to me. I just signed up for a farm share here in the lower mainland of BC, and I get 20 weeks of produce for $600. So it's $30 a week. And the 1 box of produce will feed a family of 4. And I'm just getting it for myself. So I'll go through that box in the week for sure. But that is going to save me a ton of money because for myself, I eat 100% organic. And I was just telling my husband the other day, I'm like, I can't even afford to eat organic anymore. I can't even afford this produce. What am I going to do? So I started doing a bunch of research online and started looking for ways, and I found this farm share, and now boom, I'm going to save a lot of money on produce. So just do that research. Look in your area for farm shares. Shop at farmers markets. If you have a business, look into getting wholesale accounts with produce companies because this is also an option as well. So I hope this video helped you save on raw vegan ingredients. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up or comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.